Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Siphilele Nxamalala siphilele. Sohole Nxamalala sohole. Bayede makhosi amakhulu. Bayede. Ngibulise leadership yomkhonto wesizwe, province, leagues, ne-region na sub-region nama branches ala nabonke abantu abakhona ngibulise. Umkhonto wesizwe party lena, it's a hope eyabantu. And thina esumkhonto wesizwe party siku continuation of the struggle lesi sasicala from 1912 siqhubeka ngaso manje ngenye indlela futhi. Ngoba lasivela khona enaziyo wathengiswa sibhekile, kungakho ke thina masojo omkhonto saqala lento ibizwa ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party phansi kwamkhulu wethu uNxamalala Mshuluzi. Ngiyanithembisa nani ukuthi umhlaba uzobuya, umhlaba uzobuyela kini. Namhlanje into sizoyenza ukuthi sifuna ukuthi sibe nekhansela yethu la sizobonisa abantu ukuthi thina uma sibusa kanjani, and nabantu bayi acceptile le councillor candidate yethu. Ngikholwa kanjalo, ngitsheliwe nami nama reports angena ukuthi acceptiwe. Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abala kule ward they are going to elect councillor candidate yethu. Ngiyacela nani ke ukuthi ma comrades uma siphuma singena sibagcuzulele abantu ukuthi bavotele kumkhonto wesizwe. Candidate yethu ngeke izifane namanye amakhansela yabakhona, izohluka ngoba sinayo imigomo ukuthi kumele baziphathe kanjani uma basesitulweni basebenzele abantu. Uma baneyinkinga babuyele ebantwini futhi bakhulume nabo ukuthi kunenkinga lana la sisolve kanjani lenkinga. Amandla matla
Kulana masango, kulana masango, kulana masango, kulana masango. Sisota tomasala, sawagipa masela zukala, sisota tomasala tina, sawagipa masela zukala, sisota tomasala tina, sawagipa masela zukala.
Dumelang Bakhayetu. Today we go Ward 10 for our by-elections preparations. So we're having a program conducted by the platoons, the Mkhonto Wesizwe platoons. We are here to demonstrate that even within the organization we are able to provide extra security for our people. So being here was literally an expression of victory, because what we are receiving on the ground, we were going around with our councillor candidate, Comrade Khupa, and you can tell that the way he's a people's person, I mean, that should tell you something. So stay tuned as we come to you to share our victory stories that is happening in Mamelodi Sub-Region 6 with me, Pearl Nicolette.
Angikale ngibulise igama uMoses engaziwa ngeCombat name kaPhamgani, uDeputy Convener of the Gauteng Detachment Province. Silala namhlanje senza i-door to door campaign yama by election eWard 10 la eTshwane. So i-aim ukuthi siyenze i-door to door sithole i-candidate ye-MK ukushintsha impilo zabantu because masibheka in 30 years abantu is no different ama-potholes ama-sewage kucima ugesi bacima amanzi abantu abanazindlu. So we believe to say i-MK is a ne-ideology to say you want to change isithunzi somuntu, i-dignity yomuntu, umuntu akwazi ukurespecteka.
Bayede ngiyabingelela ngothando nangenjabulo nokuthanda ukubeka amagama ngenhlonipho yokucelwa ukuthi sisho ukuthi lapha size ngendaba yaka ukhanselara esimcandidate simkhethile obaba oKhopa ukuthi azokuphatha kule ndawo le. Lokho siyakujabulela ukuthi oKhopa aphathe kule ndawo le nesizwe esilapha ibe sizwe esijabulayo emva kokuba sho ukuthi siyesaba namakhansela aye aphatha ambalwa emuva ukusuka kuma-organization athile azange athokozise abantu. Manje sesijabulela ukuthi nathi ebukhosini mhlawumbe le khansela esizikhethela yona izobe ikhanselara yethu ezasithokozisa sonke kunye nabantu ngoba nabantu sibona bayamthokozela ukhansela uJoe Khopa. So size nje nathi lapha ebukhosini sithanda ukuthi amakhanselara aphathayo aphathisane kunye nobukhosi emva kokuba amakhanselara ebekakhona azange arecommende amakhosi ekuphatheni kwabo kanye nombuso lo esiubonayo ophathe nje. Siba ukuthi esikhathini sesiphethe njengomkhonto wesizwe sokuthi kuphathiswane kanye nobukhosi njengoba kungabanikazi bomhlaba barecognize bathathwele phezulu ukuthi nabo bangabantu bomhlaba ngoba bayamakhosi esizwe. Izwe elinganankosi kufana nezwe elinganamelusi. Njengezimvu ezinganamelusi zitshontshwa noma ubani ebile ade azibulale kodwa njengomalusi esekhona sicela ukuthi naye uKhopa sizolusa kunye naye simbone ukuthi welusa njani izimvu ukuthi zingahlukubezwi noma zitshontshe zibulawe ngabantu abantu bokudlula ngoba lo mthetho owalamakhansela ebephethe kanye nalabo bebaphethe bomkhandlu ethile sokuthi abaphathanga nokuphathisana nokubanakekele isizwe. Isizwe sihlakazekile sadlengulwa satshontshelwa abanye batshontshelwe. Manje sicela ukuthi thina njengomkhonto asivumi ukuthi isizwe sitshontshwe noma sitshontshelwe noma sihlakaze ngendlela engamthetho. Sicela ukuthi isizwe kanye nabantu bonke ngoba asikhethi ibala ukuthi lo umhlophe lo umnyama noma unjani. Singumkhonto wesizwe sithi masihlanganeni sonke sibe usho ukuthi sizwe esisodwa esihlukubezekile ukusukela kule mithetho ethile engeke sibize ngamagama esifuna ukuthi nayo engabe iyabuyiseka manje ayibuyiseki iyaqhubeka. Manje thiya sizoqhubeka siyalithatha lelizwe leli noKhopa siyambeka sho ukuthi mina ngingumahlangu ngiyathokoza ukuthi ngibeka la magama lawo.
Ilanga selishonile sizobathula abafana balomkhonto bathi ilanga selishonile sizobathula abafana balomkhonto bathi ilanga selishonile sizobathula ilanga selishonile sizobathula selishonile sizobathula abafana balomkhonto bathi ilanga selishonile sizobathula abafana balomkhonto bathi ilanga selishonile sizobathula ilanga selishonile sizobathula selishonile sizobathula abafana balomkhonto bathi ilanga selishonile abafana balomkhonto bathi ilanga selishonile
le la issue ya gore ka gana go ba councilor bjalo ke nyako le tsebiša go mmotla gore ke le kwele lebaka legolo la gore ke dumele go ba councilor ke gore ke pušitše batho ba bantši batho bale ne ke ba roma ke re tsamaye le be councilor ke šale ke le chairperson ya Alaska at least re kgone go rana motso a ba di dilo tse ke di nyaka so ke lapisitše ko go romeletša ke ile this time ke a ikela go ikela ka go sempo a go sa le botlhokwa le mpotso di ke to le dile lae le bone ke le dile tšing a go botlhokwa ke polele now comrades go kgopela gore ka makatana mane ka di 1 tša October a le vote le nna le vote la motse wa lena go boima Alaska mathata Alaska tseba ke leng ke maikarabelo wa ka gore nna le lena re make sure gore mathata a motse o ka moka da lokiša so maikarabelo wa ka magolo ko gore di-section leaders tsela ka moka da ditlhakantše issue ela ne di ya di-ANC ya go hira batho ka gore mang ke le ANC mo nna e fedile re ilo bereka so ge di yo hira a ke tlo lebelela gore ke le MK le a ke tlo lebelela ke le ANC le a ke tlo lebelela ke le EFF le gore go kgobakana da bitša boetapele ka moka project e nngwe le nngwe yo rana ke di-project a ke tlo ba councilor ya di-project ko ba councilor ya community ke a tseba gore mathata ke a mantšhi mo motseng nka bolela nka se a fetša mara mmeka ko wa ko mogolo ko go shara di-problem le lena kana mokgolo le ke shara le lena ka gona ke a change ke ena kgopola le motsebang ke tla gofa a se kgopa ola a change-tšeng a ke tlo ba kgopa ka ke councilor today ka ta ka change mokgekolo ke tswa kgole le lena bakgekolo ba gešo ke a le tseba ka moka a ke le kgetše a ke le ke sefatlhego le a tseba gore mo phošo a ke kwane le phošo ge motho a o dia phošo ke a mokgala same time a nkwatela go sasa ka tsoga go bolela le ke maikarabelo aka kana mokgono le le bereka ka gone motho a tlhokofetse a sena tšhelete ke sa tlo no thuša ka yona mokgono ebile go taba go le kaone ka motho mongwe ke taba kogola e taba easy ke tla tšheka ka napeng ka thuša gots ka nna kola ne ke thuša ke sa go so sa mafelelo se ke nyako le bontšha sona batswadi ke gore ke le rata ka moka ko kgopela gore tsamang le o botša batho ba ba sa kwešišeng gore lebaka la gore ba votele ba se ka mvotela again ba tlhalosetse lebaka la gore ba mvotele ke lebaka la gore ke nyaka go tsoša Alaska ke nyaka seriti sela lebelela le sona sa gore batho ba se ka utswa mo ke tlo se buša patrolo yela lebele e tseba e tlo boa again
bayangena bangodile bona bayaphithizela bayangena bangodile bona bayaphithizela sikhathumzila sindawo sikhathumzila sindawo sikhathumzila sindawo sikhathumzila sindawo
le what lena ngiyathemba ukuthi sizoyiwina umkhonto wesizwe and uma siyiwina iSouth Africa yonke izobona especially eGauteng sezoshintsha namanye amaward ukuthi baye ku MK ukuthi bavotele iMK bangasasabi ngoba abantu abaningi basaba ukuvotela iMK because of ama-food parcel nezinye izinto lo propaganda sizoyiqeda then sizoyithatha le yona le ward lena ngiyathemba namasotsha ngiyabona nama-members of umkhonto wesizwe ajabule kakhulu and manje siyahamba so amukela abantu abayi-20 abasuka ku-ANC abazojoyina umkhonto wesizwe amandla.
What makes me happy ukuthi i-candidate yala it's known by the community kusho ukuthi he's been serving i-community before akhethwa kuba i-candidate umuntu wabantu umuntu ozaziyo inhlupheko zala ku-community especially community la i-VD esibuya kuyo bathi kuse-Alaska bayamazi they know him Loko kuyabonisa ukuthi ke na ke the ground is fertile for umkhonto wesizwe. There's no way ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe cannot take this ward. We are going to take this ward. Actually sesilithathile le ward lelo mkhonto wesizwe la so display khona the people's mandate siyobonisa abantu base South Africa ukuthi umkhonto siphetheni.
Awunobhala nomongameli.
Waza umkhonto kwaza. Yes, sina eWard 10 to support i-program by-election enzoba khona ngomhla ka-1 October by-election la khona sofaka khona our first MK party councillor in the Gauteng province. Zofaka uKhore Joe. Now we were here to organize and mobilize young people behind the MK party, where as they can see ukuthi ekuhlaleni la behlala khona baphila kanjani. Infrastructure is very poor. Amanzi awekho, ugesi uyahlupha, izinto abanazo. Now we were here to tell them that for the past 30 years, they've been living under this same coalition. Now they must make a change on the 1st of October and vote for MK Party, Comrade Joe be the councillor, because MK Party is a party that's here to change the lives of our people and make sure they get a better living in this democracy spirit again.
Comrades who are here in Ward 10, and you can see MK is even above capacity. We can see ANC trying shenanigans, but no, this is already our ward. We are very confident in our councillor candidate because he's been working for this community regardless of any position or regardless of any capacity, but he worked for this particular area. And we have a place called, is it Viva? It is called Viva, and that place was officially handed by him to the people of this area. He forcefully took that place and then later on acquired the right to occupy that place from the municipality. We're not here to say much as the MKSM. We're also currently facing our own SRC elections, but we are here to say we are students, we are the community before we are students, and we have confidence in this ward. We're going to take this ward, we're going to govern this ward, we're going to make an example in this Gauteng that we are capable as Gauteng. We are able to acquire a ward. It is a matter of time, it is a matter of effort. Amandla.
Sayithatha Ward 10 sayithatha. No, comrades in Nama is symbol. Once again, ka mogala ga boeta pele mmelo go go mogolo go gore ke make sure the mkhondo wesizwe o tlhompha community. And mkhondo wesizwe o tlhompha community la. O tlhompha community ka go bereka la magoshi, o bereka le setšhaba. So makana ba la magolo go gore re make sure gore re win this ward, and re win this ward. Ntho kholo e lo le tsakile dile go gore bana ba babile community e bile ke nnamo. Ke 5,520 shirts. Kada 5,500 checks. Ke tsantsi ke make sure gore ba dira se ba senya ka ene. Ke a tseba gore wa ke ba ke ile mo. Ke ba bele mo ba sokola. A hona re ka ba la tla gona. Thanks so much.